You started this Pixel,
Huh.
like how many years? Like it's
7 years
7
now.
years.
7 years.
So if you start Pixel now with all the AI things, what will be your major change?
I don't feel like starting now again because, and also I don't feel like shutting down my own company
No,
because,
like what I meant is the other way. If you start a company now with these
huh.
things, with the AI tools, what would be the major difference?
So
Like what?
one difference will be I will not do alone.
Hmm.
The second difference will be technology wise on the like on the surface level also on multiple things I will try to implement things on technology level rather than depending upon everything on people. Today also all the people who work with us, like it cannot be done via AI. Those kind of people are there. Still there will be something which I'll make that the processes, the flow, some kind of automations is there from the grassroots level, so that in down the line it keeps on getting upgraded.
What risky decision which you took 5 6 years back, which favored you now?
I started investing in startups, so that was one of the riskiest decision. What usually happens if you invest, suppose if you invest your wealth, then people suggest that do in real estate, gold, mutual fund, AIFs, all those categories, and they say that if you want to start invest in startups, invest only 10% of it, the total amount which you want to invest in a year. But I did 90%. I invested in startups.
Okay,
Okay,
that's very
which is
risky.
very opposite. 10% I did in like mutual funds or gold, whatever it is. So I don't recommend this to anyone. But with this, this I first investment I did in 2021 January. But with that, two things happened. One, obviously, I got to meet lot of people, which I would not have been able to meet if I have not done
If
this.
you have done that,
Second, via
okay.
this, I got good exposure to startups, and also exit and all making money is very become very sideline for me in the over the years to do this.
Nice.